Good morning. I'm going to try to get a head start on Thanksgiving, which is wise for all of us, of course. And sweet potatoes we have every Thanksgiving. We have them every Christmas too. This is a little bit different recipe. It's going to be a sweet potato casserole, and it's going to have orange and cream cheese and butter and brown sugar. And this is 5 about this size sweet potatoes. And I baked them really tender. Peeled them. I have the peelings there ready for the chicken. I have a half a stick of softened cream cheese and 6 tablespoons of butter to start with. I'm going to add a half a cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to add, this is frozen orange juice concentrate. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of this. It's going to give it a great flavor. If you wanted to grate some orange peel in here, you could do that too. I'm going to add just a little touch of salt, and then you have to plug it in for it to work. I'm trying to get ahead on a lot of my Thanksgiving things. I try to go through my pantry and make sure I have everything that I need. Excess, extra of everything, because it seems like I always forget something and have to run to the store. And sweet potatoes are on sale, so this is a good thing to do. Now, I'm going to keep beating this up, and we'll come right back after I get it blended. Taste this while you're making it to see if it's the way you like it, if you have enough sugar. We don't want to over sugar it, but that's just us. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. There again, if you don't like cinnamon or can't eat it, just don't use it. There we go. It's nice and creamy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in this bowl, and I'm going to give it a little taste. Yummy. You can taste the orange. Whoops. I'm probably going to have to get Caden's here. Say hi, Caden.
Hi.
Say hi to everybody. So, Caden is here this weekend to help me get ready for the magazine coming. They're coming Wednesday. And, everything has to be perfect. So we are working hard here to get everything cleaned up. I'm going to put foil over the top of these, and I'm going to put them in the freezer. So I'll have that much done before Thanksgiving. And I will get them out probably the day before, and either let them defrost in the refrigerator or maybe on the counter for a while, because I want them totally defrosted when I put them in the oven, because they're really done. What you really want to do is just heat them through. Another thing, and then before I serve them, I'll put a little pat of butter or 2 on the top. Another thing you could do, if you wanted to elevate this even more, is you could do a pecan topping with some pecans and brown sugar, and just put over the top. Maybe grate a little orange peel in them. But we're ready with our sweet potatoes, and I'm going to see what else I can get done early so I won't get in such a bind come Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's one of my favorite holidays. It's my favorite holiday food, just like Christmas, because we eat pretty much the same thing. But it certainly is a time to be grateful and thankful to God for our many, many blessings.